Okay, we got a true open merchandiser leaking water. We got model number here. 60-incher. Nice and cold. So, got a customer complaint. Hang on a second here. Okay, so we got a customer complaint of water on the floor. We definitely got water on the floor, and it's dripping out of the overflow. Well, that would be cool if there was a floor drain around here. You could put that somewhere, but anyhow. So it looks to me like in here, like the float is not risen up. Looks like the float's not. Looks like it's stuck. Let me see if that float will go up. Let's see if we got electricity over there. That's an outlet over there. Plug outlet. So let me see if we got power there. Then we do. Alright, so we got power over there. Figured we did. This new unit's a new unit. I think this even might be under warranty. This unit's only like a year old. Or I don't know what the warranty is on this. Should be 3 years parts and labor on this thing. I think it's under that, so let's see what's up. So yeah, okay, so this is set about 250 degrees. It's a float out of a Evapoway, but I don't know if you can see where the leak is. It's like, I don't know, but there's a bubble. This is how you can find the leak, and you could use some. See the corrosion? Yeah, that's the water. You know, it's just corroding. It's a cheapo float, Evapoway. Under a year. That thing's only a year old. That true? Yeah. That open deli case. Anyway, so just use this fryer, and I'm gonna bake the water out of it and throw some silicone on it until we can get the part. All the corroded part, all done there. Screw in there, and I'll just